What's up? It's your boy Aaron once again. You know. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use wevideo because I'm an expert at it. Not really, but I am. So when you're on wevideo, you're gonna want to log in. Get your login thing. I'm not gonna do that because I know I'm trying to keep myself private. Anyways, so we're gonna go to right here, create new. All right, create new. We're gonna do video, or recording, GIF, or podcast, whichever one you want to do. For now, we're just gonna do video because we're weird like that. Then you're gonna put it wherever you want to put it or whatever. We're just gonna start editing. All right, so this is where you start editing your videos. So you can either drag media from your computer. You'd press import, browse to select, and then just whatever. Just download like this. I don't know what this is. I don't know what any of this is, but yeah. Oh, here's something we did earlier. Did this a while ago for a different group. So you can just take it. Once it's in here, it's gonna see that blue line right there. It's gonna download. It's downloading. Once it disappears, then you have it. Or it might just be done now. Okay, whatever. I don't know. You can just drag it now though. You can just drag it now. And then press play. And it's there. It's a video, so it is playing. You can see from this. Okay. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Yeah. Then after that, you can go for videos. Search. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tabs you can choose from. For videos, you can just find your own videos, or not own videos. You can find like template videos that are already on here. So if I want to search cats, get 5 videos of cats. Just cat videos. See, we all love cats. Cats are cute. And then for images, if you want to search an image, you want to find this person. you can drag that right here too. You want to find an image of a random person smiling at the camera really weirdly, you can find that as well. Okay. Delete all those. Just get those out the way. And then for audio, there's many different audios to choose from. All you have to do is just search the type of audio you want. Let's say frogs dancing. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's gonna. Yeah, okay, I didn't find anything. Okay. Song. Let's just search song. Okay, Z4O. Search song. Relax. See, I like the sound of relax. Put it in the audio tab. That's where the audio goes. See, and then you can't hear it. Oh wait. Audio. Okay, so we don't get copyrighted. Stop that now. Anyways, but yeah, that's where you get audio. Any questions? They probably do, but for me, I'm a dumbhead, so I like to have copyrighted stuff. And when I say copyrighted, I mean I like to pull Rick Ashley and post it on YouTube. No. So yes, you have copyrighted stuff on here. Anyways, we got text. What clip? Oh shoot, what clip? This one? That's the Rick Ashley. Yeah. Then for next tab, the 4th tab, or 5th actually. Text. You already know we got the certain text. We got the seasonal, got the special, got captions, multi-line, got titles. You already know we got it's got stuff. It's got good stuff. So I'm just gonna take the regular sample text, put it there, and you're gonna change it. You're gonna want to press this little icon right here. Hover over it. A little pencil will pop up right there. A little pencil. You click that, and then boom. You can drag and drag it wherever you want. You can resize it. You make it visible, basically. Do whatever you want with it. And then you change it. Right there. Text properties. Say hi. Hi. You can change the font that you want from here. I like the bitter font because I feel like it's pretty cool. Adjust size. I don't really touch any of this. I don't know what any of it does, to be honest. That's the one thing I don't know about, so I just leave it there. Then you can make it bold. And you can italicize it, underline it, highlight it. Or not highlighted, but change the color. I'm pretty sure this is highlighting. Yeah, this is highlighting. I have a black highlight. And then you can change it if you want to be in the middle of it, the right of it, or the left of it. Then you can change the size right here. How big it is, how small it is. And then line height. I don't know what this does, to be honest. I don't really see it. I don't really see a difference. So I don't really know what this does. But whatever it does, spacing, you can find out how far, like, how spaced the letters are. Oh, I guess it doesn't work on here. Interesting. I guess it's pretty useless too, because usually you're supposed to be. It's basically this. It's basically like spacing the letters out like that. I don't know why the period spawned there. I don't know where that period came from. But basically spacing the letters out, pretty much like just like that. And then the position, where you want to position it, 7. I don't know what that's supposed to do, but basically where you're positioned on the thing. I feel like this is pretty useless though, because you can just always just drag it wherever you want, just like that, instead of having to type the exact position. Because how you gonna find a position on video? You know what I mean? All right, and that's text.
Sample text.
Yeah, sample text. Yes. And then this is this how faded this faded right here, from beginning to end. See, if I play it. Slowly fades out. I don't know why it's taking forever, but yes, it slowly fades out.
Bro, this is a 5-second video. Why is it taking 1 minute to do it?
I don't know. But then, we're here. Next tab. Transitions. I don't touch any of these. I don't like them. I feel like I'd rather just make my own transition, but, might as well go through them for the video.
YouTube transitions, bro.
One of those YouTube transitions, I think this might be a good one for it. Nope, this is some cocoa melon transition. Some cocoa. Probably this one, maybe. That's no, maybe. If that was sped up, then yeah, that'd be a good one. If that was like a little faster. See, these are just slightly too slow. See, okay, put it in here. What the?
Show them how to do it.
Oh, I don't know. I don't touch these. So I don't know how to really make one. I don't touch these.
Just do whatever.
I can't even drag them. Why can't I? Oh, I'm stupid. Hold on. Videos. Just drag a random video. Okay, transitions. Take this one. Put it here. Duration. Have it 0.5 seconds because I like the faster transitions. So now, I play it. That's probably a little too fast. But it's still a good transition, in my opinion. Still a good transition, though. Let's do 96. I don't know. Let's try that again. See? It's pretty good. And always change the transition for whatever video, whatever you're going to do. That current one, it looks so basic. No, I don't like that. No. And the extras, I actually don't know what these do. I don't touch these either. I don't know why there's a nose here. I don't know what that does. Okay, it's a beating heart. I think these might just be special effects.
Why not call them special effects?
Probably, yeah, these probably just special effects. Let's bring that tiger back. That tiger's cool. Or not.
Bro, this tiger been through trauma.
Or not. I guess I can't bring the tiger back. There we go.
You don't want to come back.
No, wait, bro. Okay, so we play the video. I should probably put it too far back. And then, boom, heartbeat. I don't know. It's all weird stuff. But, hey, wevideo is pretty good. I feel like it's a good program. You guys should check it out, too. Last one, we got backgrounds. I guess probably just what it says. Have a background here, and then probably drag it like a random video or something. Probably put it on top.
Hey. I can barely hear you.
Probably put it on top. I don't know. I don't know what backgrounds do. I don't like them either. These are, is it replace? I don't have no clue. Backgrounds I don't like. Backgrounds? Yeah, backgrounds are massive L. I don't like them. But yeah, that's it. That's wevideo for you. You can, after you made your perfect masterpiece, you finish. Okay? You title whatever you want. Yeah, I'm gonna title it Tiger. Set. Then after that, full HD, HD, or SD. I don't know why you would go to SD, or you can just go with HD. You know?
Yes.
Whatever that means too. Anyways, and choose a thumbnail. Yeah. And then choose where you want it to go. You can either save it on wevideo or your Google Drive. For now, so leave it on wevideo. Export. Since ours is a short, like a 10-second video, it shouldn't take too long to export. Hopefully, at least. It's only a 10-second video. But depending on how long your video is, it depends on how long it's going to take to export. I feel like it should be exported by now, but it's clearly not. This is where you cue the Jeopardy music. We'll get back with you when it finally ends. Here we go, we're back. It's finally exported. Then you can take the link, Just drag. I don't know why I did that. I just did it because what? Because why not? Then play a video. Just cause. Pretty sure you can save it. I think there's some way you can save it. Yeah, download. You download the video. I don't know why I pressed it twice. Okay, well I guess I have two. I guess I have two of those videos. You can open. It should be in your. It should be in your folder, or right here. And yeah, that's your video, and that's wevideo. That's. I don't know why it logged me out. Okay, that's wevideo for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a nice day. Peace.
He's gonna get raped later.
I know.